Hello, Book World. I'm Melanie. This is my Peppermint Mocha shirt. And welcome to my world.
Over the ground lies a mantle of white. A heaven of diamonds shine down through the night. Two hearts are thrilling in spite of the chill in the weather.
Hello, Book World. It is November the 18th. It's Wednesday night. And I have just started Five Total Strangers. Well, I'm on chapter 9. It's by Natalie D. Richardson. This book has main character, Mira. Her mom is grieving the loss of her twin sister, whom she lost last Christmas due to cancer. She is flying in from California to see her mom. However, the plane is having issues. In the meantime, she meets her seatmate Harper, and Harper suggests renting a car. They share a ride with Josh, who is a psychology major, Kira, who has just finished high school, Brecken, who is a med student at UT Berkeley, and of course Harper is a student studying international relations. So that is as far as I've gotten so far. She has picked up a ride with Harper, Kira, Josh, and Brecken, and we don't know what's going to happen because she's stuck in the car and they're in the middle of a blizzard. And one of the passengers has a secret. They know Mira from her past. This is a YA thriller. I'm not a huge fan of YA thrillers, but this one sounded intriguing, especially since it took place over the holidays, so I wanted to give it a whirl. But I am on chapter 9, and I will let you know what I think about this book in a little while. Good morning, lovely book world. I have my coffee ready, and I am going to hopefully finish up today, Five Total Strangers. I cannot wait to see what's going on and see if I enjoy the book. But I'm going to have my coffee, cheers, and I'm going to read. Hello, book world. I am on page 243, which is chapter 24 of Five Total Strangers. This book is bizarro. I like it. It's weird. I'm a little weird, I know. So I like weird, but it has taken us on an odd ride. There's so many weird things going on. The gas station. Once they get to the gas station, when you read the book, you'll know what I'm talking about. The gas station it just starts getting bizarro. But I am enjoying the book. I haven't decided what I'm going to rate the book yet, but I'll continue to read. Hello, book world. I have just finished Five Total Strangers by Nicole D. Richardson. It is about Mira, who is traveling to her mom's for Christmas. She is worried about her mom because last year at this time, her mom's twin sister Phoebe passed away, and it just broke both of their hearts. Phoebe's dying wish was that Mira would go ahead and finish her studies at this prestigious high school for the arts in California. So she's trying to get back to Pennsylvania to be with her mom for the holidays because of her aunt. Her seatmate, Harper, on the plane is just this glamorous college student, and she makes college sound so amazing, and she's just everything that Harper wants to be when she grows up. When their plane is landing due to a blizzard, Mira takes it up on herself to go ahead and crash at the airport. However, Harper has just hit it off with Mira, and she had decided to rent a car. She rents the car with 3 other strangers, and it just goes from there. One of the people in the car is lying about something, and they all have secrets. I enjoyed this book. It was odd and weird. I think that a lot of people would find it a little too odd. It wasn't for me, but for a lot of people, I feel that you probably would have felt that it was a little odd. Although I enjoyed the book, I would have to give the book 3 stars. Because for a YA thriller, I just expected more. The plot was such a great idea, and it was an amazing idea for a story. It just, the story was not written in a way that it made me feel at the edge of my seat. When I see a thriller or I read a thriller, I expect to be on the edge of my seat because I am that in tune with everything. I mean, I actually have ADHD, so it's hard for me to concentrate and sit down with a book, much less a book that doesn't grab my attention every step of the way. So for a thriller, I had expected it to be more of a suspenseful thriller, like Enemy of the State. I saw that movie with Will Smith. I absolutely loved that movie. That movie had me on the edge of my seat till the very end of that movie. If you haven't seen Enemy of the State, please do, because I think you would enjoy it. It has Will Smith, has Angelina Jolie's father in it. It is just a very amazing movie. Anyway, I'm gushing about a movie when I should be talking about a book. I say all of that to emphasize that I expect a lot out of my thrillers and my suspense books. And if you don't keep me engaged and entertained all the way through the book, then I lose interest. Like I said, I did enjoy the book. It did have some weird factors in it that I found bizarro, and I enjoyed that. However, I would have to give this book a 3. It was just 3 out of 5 stars. It was just a mediocre book. I'm hoping to start the 12 Dates of Christmas, and I may finish it in this vlog. I'm not certain. If I don't finish this book in this vlog that I'm doing right now, I'll definitely finish it in my next vlog, and I will see you in a few minutes. I have my lovely vegetarian pizza with tomatoes, spinach, and mushrooms, and that is what we're gonna have for dinner. Hello, book world. I have decided to deviate from my previous reading plans and read a thriller. I wanted to read an adult thriller this time. I was more in the mood for a thriller than I was a romance at this point. So I hope you don't mind the detour, so to speak. I'm going to be reading No Exit. I have already started the first 3 chapters of this book. It's by Taylor Adams. Like I said, it is an adult thriller. Darby Thorne is a college student who is heading home to Colorado to visit her mom, who has fallen ill with stage 4 pancreatic cancer. In the meantime, she ends up pulling into a rest stop and she gets stuck in a snowstorm. So far, that's where I'm at. The book seems to be very fast-paced compared to 5 Total Strangers. So I think I'm going to enjoy this book a lot more. I'll continue to give you my thoughts on the book. Fingers crossed that this book holds up to the hype that I've heard 45 minutes later. Oh my gosh. I am continuing with this book, and she's stuck in a blizzard at this rest stop with no cell service. This is just happening in the first few pages. I'm not spoiling anything, I promise. I won't spoil anything about the book, but oh my gosh. This is going to be a wild book. I can already tell I'm going to enjoy it. How much I enjoy it, I don't know, but I think I'm going to enjoy this book. I'm at my favorite drinking stop, my favorite coffee shop, Starbucks. Hello, Book World. I have just went through Starbucks and got me a mocha frappuccino and a thing of water. I'm going to go to Barnes & Noble and get some books at my mocha. I also picked up a cup that was actually free because I had some points that I can earn for this cup. I had 400 points, and when you get up to 400 points, you can get a free cup. So I got this cup. I thought it was cute. I'm going to go to Barnes & Noble, and I will see you in a few. And I am at Barnes & Noble to pick up my book. Hello, Book World. I just got back from my trip to Barnes & Noble and Starbucks. I didn't vlog because I got a little nervous and upset because my car wouldn't start. Cherry Bomb decided that she wasn't going to cooperate today, so I call roadside assistance, and as soon as I call roadside assistance, the car decides it's going to start. This is after I had a lady try to start the car for me with one of her battery jacks. And so this hasn't been a very good day. Then I get home, and the cup I bought at Starbucks, Sly decides he's going to chew the straw. So the straw on this beautiful Starbucks cup is tore up, and it just hasn't been my day. I'm reading No Exit by Taylor Adams. I know that's why you all are here. I'm sorry, but sometimes life happens in the middle of a reading vlog and you just can't help it. I'm finding it, so far, it's a little problematic. I'm on chapter 12 right now. There are some problematic areas with some of the characters in the book and some racial slurs that I did not appreciate and things of that nature. I mean, I would like the book other than that, but there was this one joking part that I just didn't like, so I'm still plowing through the book, and I'll see what I think about the book, but suffice it to say, I did find that there were some problematic elements in the book that I wasn't expecting. Anyway, I will catch up with you later. I love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving Day here in America. And if you're watching this on Thanksgiving, I hope you're having a great Thanksgiving Day. If you're watching this video after Thanksgiving, I hope that your Thanksgiving was wonderful. I'm sorry about the emotional breakdown. Yesterday, it was just a rough day. I hated being stuck in a parking lot and not having a way to get home or anything like that. And yeah, the Starbucks cup being chewed by Sly Sylvester, that's first world problems, I know, but I just want to say I love you guys, and today's going to be a better day. It's our Thanksgiving dinner.
Together with simple and tasty food ideas since 1869.
Well, with so many beautiful
beautiful.
Day Thanksgiving parade.
Everybody at Macy's Parade Studio.
Come to Nashville, Tennessee, and treating us to an incredible performance from one of the most beloved performers of all time.
This is incredible. From her home state of Tennessee and singing a Holly Dolly Christmas from her new album of the same name. Who else? Dolly Parton.
Miss Dolly's on the Macy's Day Thanksgiving Parade. I just love Miss Dolly. She's so cool.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly.
Hello, Book World. I have finished reading No Exit by Taylor Adams. I give this book a 3.75 out of 5 stars. I did find the book problematic at some points. Even though I enjoyed that it was a fast-paced read and kept me on the edge of my seat like I wanted. There's violence, there's language. So just be aware of that if you're sensitive to any of that when you go into reading this book. I did enjoy the book. And if you enjoy thrillers, I think you would enjoy this book. Like I said, it is about a young lady who is driving home from university to be with her mom, who has pancreatic cancer, stage 4, because her mom's having surgery on Christmas. It's December 23rd, and there is a blizzard. She is stuck at a rest stop. During this time that she's stuck at a rest stop, she sees this gray van with no windows, and she peeks around and finds out that there is a young child, about 8 years old, in the van. And it just goes from there. There are a lot of twists and turns. You may think you have something figured out, and then Taylor Adams takes you on a different ride and takes you to another place. So there are twist upon twist upon twist, and it is a good book, and I did enjoy the book. But just be aware, it is a very violent book, so it is an adult thriller. It isn't a thriller that I would say would be a YA thriller. If you enjoy adult thrillers, definitely pick this book up. I think you would enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead and close this vlog off, and I want to thank everybody for being there for me during this vlog and your kindness. I hope that your week has went well. And I want to thank everyone for being a part of my world.
Over the ground lies a mantle of white. A heaven of diamonds shine down through the night. Two hearts are thrilling in spite of the chill in the weather.